Good day everyone. So today we'll be talking about our Greening Days experience in See What's One this semester. So first let's start with our first Greening Day where we were assigned to bring over some old materials and experiments from our previous sessions and then some new materials to help us in our eco classroom in UP Dalaman. So on the right is the picture of the class over here, and then on the left is a sample of the activity we did in the first Greening Day. So as I mentioned, during the first screening day, we started planting with vermicompost. So what we did on the right picture here was start to mix soil, vermicompost, and other nutrients in order to put them in recycled PET bottles that we brought over from our homes and plant them with some seedlings we found in the eco classroom. And hopefully with the vermicompost mixture, the seedlings will grow into strong and developed plants. Moving on to our second greening day, we were assigned to mix cement for the walkway over here, built with recycled eco bricks from PET bottles of trash and plastic that we brought again over from our homes before. And okay, so here is the cement mixing process that we started, and it was quite challenging for us at first since we were all new to cement mixing. It was our first time doing it, but eventually we got a hold of it, and then as you can see here, we started pasting the cement over on the walkway for a strong foundation for the walkway. So here's a picture, here's a video of an example of it. So in this video, we were just trying to fill in the gaps in order for it to have a strong foundation for the walkway. For our third greening day, we were taught by Sir Basog on how to handle woodwork, and using the skills he taught us, we were able to build little fences like these, little parts of the fence like these, in order to fence around our eco classroom in UP Dalaman. Additionally, we also did we fixed the posts for the walkways. So what we did first was to dig a hole enough for the size of this pole, and then once it was suitable, we stuck the pole into the ground and then cemented around the pole for it to have a strong foundation for our walkway. Next was our fourth screening day, and in this screening day, here's the pole I mentioned earlier actually. In this screening day, we started mixing cement again and started cementing the walkway once more so that it has strong foundations again. Okay, so here's the cement mixing process, and actually it got a bit easier for us this time around because it was our third time mixing cement, so our work was a lot more efficient this time around. So here's a short video, and I think the overall pasting of the cement improved somewhat since it's a lot smoother than compared to when we first did it. So unfortunately, I was unable to go to the fifth screening day for personal emergencies, but here are some key takeaways that I obtained from the 4 greening days that I attended in See What's One this semester. So a big key takeaway for me this semester would be learning how to plant with vermicompost, and it was my first time working with vermicompost. And while it seemed daunting at first, learning how to use vermicompost mixture for planting was quite fun, especially working with friends and seeing other people work alongside you. A big portion of the greening days this semester was, for my group at least, was mixing cement and cementing. So this was also my first time mixing cement, and while the process might seem simple at first, it took some effort for our group to get the process started. But eventually we got better at it, and I think it's a good skill to learn. And lastly, making great memories with friends was the biggest key takeaway for me in See What's One. I had a lot of great memories in our See What's class because of my friends, and then I had a lot of fun working with them outside a regular classroom setting and learning more about the environment with them while building our eco classroom in See What's One for future generations to come. It was truly quite a special experience for me to take this See What's One class this semester, and I really appreciate all the lessons I've learned here. Thank you for the semester.